How to turn on privacy mode in Wispr Flow AI. So we've created another account to pretty much show you one of the first ways you could encounter the privacy mode, and directly in the sign up section, or when you've just started creating an account, there's a section where you can control your data. You could either choose to help improve flow or the privacy mode. If you want more information, you can always press on this, which is reading more here, and then it'll lead you to a page about the privacy mode. Now, if you have already created an account and you don't have the privacy mode already enabled, you can go ahead directly here into your settings, and then you're gonna go to data and privacy, and then there you'll simply just find privacy mode. Just go ahead and toggle that on, and that's pretty much it. Your privacy mode will be on for your flow. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.